Hi, everybody. Let's start this session. So we're taking questions regarding application forms for the CLAT 2023, and we got a couple of them. So broadly speaking, it was about the categories that applies. So we'll tackle it one at a time. I think we had women category, regarding the women category, a couple of questions. So let's first talk about that. So yes, a lot of the questions were regarding why there's some women reservation under CLAT. Now you see, this profession is a very male dominated profession, right? So we need equal representation of women, and this has been encouraged from the very top, right? So be it the Supreme Court or the high courts, everyone, the judicial fraternity, the legal fraternity, the lawyers, the judges, all of them have indicated that we need more women lawyers and women judges. Okay, to give you some numbers right now, of the 17 lakh registered lawyers in India, the women lawyers are very less. It's only 15%. That works out to around 2.5 lakhs, right? So we need to bring that up to 50%. So one way that they're going to do that is to provide reservation for women candidates under the CLAT exam. Okay, so all girl students who are writing the CLAT exam, you have an advantage because of the women reservation. It's a horizontal reservation. I'll explain that in detail, okay, when we move to the next slide. So the first question is definitely answered here. I will put a link to an article in the India Today magazine, okay, and you can read about this in detail. So in case, not that anyone would ask you, but if it becomes a talking point, right? If you want to talk about this, or if in your interview, group discussion, somewhere this comes up, if you've read this article, you will have some talking points. Okay, for that reason, I'll put this link to this India Today, the magazine, right? They have a website also, and this particular article is free to view. So you can go through that. Second question, what is women's category? It's based on your gender, okay? And do all NLUs have women's category? Now that we will discuss in the next slide. Okay. So here you'll see in the first column, we have all the national, not all, about 11 national law universities, okay? These are the only universities that give women's reservation, okay? Now, when we say horizontal reservation, what that means is irrespective of whatever other category you fall under. So say you're OBC state or OBC All India, it doesn't matter. If your gender is women, you will still get that reservation as well, okay? And same applies to all of these colleges. So for example, let's look at the first one. NLSIU, they've said 18%. 18% of what? Of the total seats available, okay? So that works out to around 32 seats. Now, if you look at NLIU Bhopal, they have set 30 seats itself, okay? It's not a percentage of the total, it is 30 seats. Now look at all the national law universities. The highest reservation for women is given at DSNLU, Vishakhapatnam, and that's 33%, but it's only for women from Andhra Pradesh. That 33% is only for women from Andhra Pradesh. And if not, if they don't find enough number of women to fill those seats from Andhra Pradesh, then they will look at all India seats. Okay, I hope this is clear. So when you fill in your application, I will show you how you can do that, okay, in the next slide. Okay, which are the NLUs which don't have any reservation for women? These are the NLUs. Okay, you can take a look at that. Okay. So now I'll show you how the form will be filled. Okay, give me a second. All right, I hope you can see this. This is the application form for the undergraduate CLAT exam, right? So under personal information, for now, I've just temporarily filled in something, okay, just to show you the different options that are available. So when you come under gender, you're looking at, they've given 3 options, right? And if you choose female, so if you choose male, you will come under general category. If you choose female, there is reservation for female. Okay, so let's see the reservation. It will say general and women. Okay, default selected reservation is, so as soon as you've selected the women category, it is automatically put in there. Okay, so if you look at the personal information, I may have said yes and no to many things. Okay, so let's look at this. So here, NLSIU, I'm under general, but I'm a woman candidate. Similarly, Nalsar. Okay, similarly, Bhopal. In Kolkata, I will be considered as general only. Remember that list? There are some colleges where you don't have women reservation. Okay, and as you go down, you will see each college has some of the colleges, not all of them, some of the colleges have women reservation and some don't. Okay, now when you come to okay, so I had put all India general category. Okay, so I just want to show you, if I had selected OBC, okay, and I say no, I don't belong, or yes, I belong to the non-creamy layer, okay, whatever the case may be, and then you will see in the reservation what happens. Okay, they want us to submit a copy of a certificate. Okay, if you're OBC, you will have to upload a certificate. Okay, so give me a second. Okay, so now I just want to show you how the OBC selection is automatically done. Okay, do you see this? Okay, similarly, wherever it applies, right, it will automatically come in. Okay, and so on. Okay. OBC over here. All right. So I hope you get the general idea of how, as soon as you select one option, like for example, the gender, how it automatically comes up. Okay. Now let me just, one second. So here we're talking about women reservation, right? And I have shown you on the form how you'll have to fill it up. Okay. So in the next session, we will talk about another category where we have had a number of questions, that is the NRI and NRI sponsored. So regarding that, we'll put up another video. Okay. And before you go, I'm just letting you know, we have a 3-month crash course. This is with online live classes. You'll have mock tests and regular topic tests, and you'll also be given online study material. Okay, give us a call. I'll leave the contact details here.